Let me show you how you can connect your OpenAI to WhatsApp and can automatically reply to your customers. So here I'm going to enter this message that is, hey, I need help, and I will be getting the response, and that response is provided by my AI assistant powered by OpenAI, which I have created. And right here I'm getting the message or this reply, and here I'm going to enter a random question and we will see whether we get the answer of that question or not. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is, what room types do you offer, as I have created this AI assistant for my homestay business. But you can modify it according to the business you are running. You just have to make the changes in the knowledge base. And right here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question. Now let's enter another question to see how it works. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is, are there any discounts for longer stays? And right here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question, and this response is provided by my AI assistant on the basis of the knowledge base which I have provided to it. So right here you can see that this is the brain of my AI assistant, by using which my AI assistant is responding to my customers by fetching the data from this knowledge base. So right here you can see that I have provided my business details in this knowledge base, and this starts with a business overview which will let my AI understand what my business about is and who my target audience is. And right here you can check out all the rest of the details which I have entered over here. So my AI assistant is using this knowledge base for resolving all the queries of my customer. So now let me show you how you can also create this amazing AI assistant by connecting OpenAI to WhatsApp and can automate your customer's chat. So for that you have to use an automation tool called as Pabbly Chatflow, by using which you can automate your customer's conversation over the WhatsApp. So now let's move on towards my Pabbly Chatflow and create this AI assistant. So right here I'm on the AI assistant page of Pabbly Chatflow, which you can access by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you have to sign up for free. And if you sign up account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. And Pabbly Chatflow is currently offering you the free trial, so make sure to try it. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click over the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the AI assistant page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow account. And right here we are on this AI instructions tab, where I'm going to select my instruction type as AI agent. And right here we are getting all these instructions which you can modify according to you. Now we are on this AI configuration section, where we have to set the temperature. So temperature here basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So as you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. But right now I'm going to keep it as 0.5, which is the most stable temperature. And here you can select the AI to use and the model of your OpenAI. So here I have selected it, and now here you have to enter the API key. So for getting this API key of your OpenAI, you have to visit this OpenAI API's key page. And right here we are on this page, where you have to create a new secret key for your OpenAI so that you can integrate your OpenAI with the WhatsApp. And here you have to provide the name and the project name, and your API key will be created if you are using a paid account. And right now I already have my API key, so I am going to just click over this connect button. And here my OpenAI key has been saved successfully. And now we are on this AI assistant settings section, from where you can manage some of your AI assistant settings, such as you can provide the header or the footer message by just enabling these toggles. And the next we are getting this option for stop keywords. So stop keywords are the words which can stop your AI assistant. So here you can provide the stop keywords as well. And now we are getting this option for entering the retry attempt. So retry attempt basically specifies the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond. And the valid range is from 1 to 10, but I'm going to keep it as disable only. And right here we are getting this option for fallback message. So this is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So you can provide the fallback message here. Now let's manage the knowledge source. So here we have to provide the knowledge base, basically the brain to our AI assistant. And you can upload your knowledge base either in .txt or .pdf file format. So I'm going to just upload it. And right here we are on my media library where you can see that we are getting all these knowledge base. So if you want to add a new file, then you have to select this add new file button. But right now I already have my knowledge base for homestay business, which I'm going to just upload. So I'm going to just click over this insert button, and here you can see that my knowledge base has been uploaded successfully, and we are getting this name and the vector ID of the knowledge base. So now as we have uploaded the knowledge base, let's configure the assistant interface. And now here I'm going to provide my header display heading name as. So right here I have provided this header display heading name, that is nature nest stays, and as I have provided it, you might observe one change, and that too in the preview of your AI assistant, that we are getting the same header display heading name which I have just entered here. So you can provide the header display or your business name like this over the WhatsApp. And now here we are getting this option for header display subheading name, and here we are already getting a subheading name which can be seen on the preview of your AI assistant. And now for the initial message, you can see it over the preview too, and you can provide two initial messages over here. Now for this field, that is display the powered by Pabbly label, you can either enable or disable it. So now let me disable it and see the changes. And here you can see that the powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared, but I'm going to keep it as enable only. And now here you can provide the footer text, footer link, and this is the user's first message. Means the message will be sent to WhatsApp as an initial message from the user's side. Now let's customize the visual appearance of our AI assistant in the styling tab. So here you can select your preferred theme mode, preferred assistant shape, and here you can even change the coloring of many properties of your AI assistant. And here you can provide the header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and background picture too. So this is the process you can connect your OpenAI to the WhatsApp and can automatically reply to your customers. So now we just have to enable this AI assistant and save it by simply selecting the Save AI Assistant button. And right here, it is saved successfully. And you can also add this AI assistant to whatever website you are running. And for that, you just have to click over this embed button. And right here, we are getting the script code, which you can paste over the code of your website, and this AI assistant will be embedded to your website. So this is the process for creating the AI assistant. And now let me show you how you can enable AI assistant for your all contacts so that you can reply to all of your customers. So here for that you have to move towards the settings and select this option of inbox settings. And right here we are on this inbox settings page where you just have to scroll down, and at last we are getting this option for enable AI auto replies, which you have to keep enabled. And from here you can select the contact list or your all contacts for which you want to enable this AI assistant. And right here you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So this is the simple process for enabling AI assistant for your all contact or a particular contact list, so that you can automatically reply to all of your customers at a time and you don't have to manually do it. And now for enabling this AI assistant for a particular chat, you have to move towards the inbox, and right here we are on this inbox page where I'm going to enable AI assistant for this particular chat. So right here I'm on this chat where on the right hand side we are getting this option for choose AI assistant, which you have to select, and from here you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So here I have selected the AI assistant which I have just created, and now my AI assistant has been enabled for this particular chat. Means as soon as this user will message me, the responses will be provided by my AI assistant. So this is the way you can enable AI assistant for a particular chat too. So now I have shown you how you can integrate your OpenAI with WhatsApp using Pabbly Chatflow and can automatically reply to your customers. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.